Hey everyone, thanks for popping in. I wanted to give you a sound sample here of the My Father's cigar box diatonic, which I call the Confessional. So I started with an F-hole up here, and I just didn't like the results, so I rethought it and put in this sort of sound box. And it just felt a little like going to Mass and, confessing your sins or something, which I guess is what a blues box is about. For those who don't know diatonics, they are set to major scale. So you'll notice there's some missing frets in here, and that's not an accident. It's a Dulcimer style play. So let's hear a little bit. So that's normal sound. It does have a piezo pickup on the inside, so you can amp it if you want. Notice a little squeak, that's the piezo. It picks up pretty much every vibration in here. So, diatonic, Dulcimer stick style Confessional. Great guitar, give it a purchase.